How to withdraw Worldcoin to your crypto app, specifically Binance. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to withdraw Worldcoin to any exchanger or any crypto application. So for this video, I will use Binance as an example. So I'll start by copying the address of the Worldcoin from the exchanger that you want to send. So I'm using Binance as I said earlier. So after you open the Binance app, go to asset. From the asset, now go to deposit. So from the deposit, I'll tap on this search and search for WLD, that's Worldcoin. If you type in WLD like this, so it will give you this Worldcoin. So after you search for Worldcoin, select the network. So you can tap on this OK button and copy the address. So now I copy the address from this exchanger, that's Binance. You can use any exchanger. After you copy the address, now go back and open up the Worldcoin app. So after you open the Worldcoin app like this, now go to wallets. From this wallet, now tap on this three dot. After you come to the wallet, three dot. Under this three dot, now go to this withdraw button. So from this option now, if you have any amount of Worldcoin, it will give you the option. Because now I don't have any amount of Worldcoin, that's why it doesn't give me the Worldcoin. So just select the Worldcoin from this option. After you select the Worldcoin like this one, so from there it will ask you to type in the address and specify the amount you want to withdraw. From there, a button will be shown for you who says withdraw. After you tap on the withdraw button, the amount of the Worldcoin that you get, it will send to the exchanger that you copy the address from it. And that's it, guys.